One of my favorite restaurants is China Factory, which is literally Chinese restaurant. It is located in Bangbang Crossroad between Gangnam Subway Station and Yangtze Subway Station. It's a little far and it's a bit hard to find this restaurant for people who don't have cars like me. Once you got there, you can find the Chinese Emperor Qin Shi Huang's terracotta warrior model on the stairs. The decor of this restaurant is very simple with dim light. The walls are painted in black, so it looks very modern and very comfortable dining atmosphere. I saved this place only for special occasions and birthdays because of the price. The price on weekends for one meal is about 24,000 won for each person. Though not cheap, the wide range of choices should satisfy everyone's taste. Once we are seated, our server is at our table with menu and black pencil. I think there are over 50 dishes on the menu, and the menu sheet looks like an OMR sheet, so whenever I mark on the paper, I feel like taking a test. Upon ordering a menu, everyone is given tea. There are green tea, Earl Grey, jasmine, and oolong tea, so you can enjoy one of these. For appetizers and entries, you can order 3 dishes, or if you don't want, then you can order just one premium menu. Last time I went there with 5 people, so we could eat 16 dishes. And there is another pleasure. While you are waiting, you can have dim sum as much as you want. The food's generally quick to survive within a few minutes. There are some items that I particularly enjoyed. There are deep fried shrimp on grilled noodle, chicken salad with star-shaped dish, smoked salmon with sauce, sweet sour pork, and Beijing duck, which is the most famous food in Beijing, and is served with tortilla. Lastly, for dessert, you could have vanilla and chocolate ice cream and coffee, and also you could eat some fruits in the dessert bar. Everything our party ordered was great, so I believe that everyone will find something to their taste. And you can take the leftovers home in a pretty doggy bag. The service is prompt and friendly. When I went there last time, it was my birthday, so we asked some of the staffs to take some pictures of us. I thought we were somewhat picky, but the staffs made efforts to make us feel comfortable and special. They were very helpful, courteous, and polite. It was great to spend special days treating people to a great meal. I hope to go there with my family soon. They would love it.